not lie, just keep it real. Please tell these labels to keep the deal. My bars are colder than half of these rappers, so please do not tell me that I need to chill. I'm working so we could be straight. Book me a tour and see me in a plane. Eating these beats, I don't need me a plate. And my foot on the gas, I don't need any brakes. Righting my wrongs and I make it a song. I'm sipping some whiskey and taking it strong. This for the people who doubted my plan. It's hard to talk shit when you work at the mall. Don't get it twisted, I'm working and grinding, cause this shit really ain't no different. Whoa. I got the keys like I'm Calvin the future, just wait till I turn the ignition.
It ain't nothing new, we keep it real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Did it on my own, don't need a deal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We just tryna tell them how we feel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't nothing new, we keep it real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't nothing new, we keep it real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Did it on my own, don't need a deal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We just tryna tell them how we feel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't nothing new, we keep it real.
Heard I'm back, I've been overseas. Had to leave the town just to notice me. Had to leave the country just to know it's me. That's a foul line, but I get the three. Got me globe trotting like the ball don't drop. Like it's New Year's Eve and I froze up the clock. Pulled up to the top and the team's all here. And my money's on us, I'll invest this year. Know we gotta get it like some inside jokes. They all thinking in the box, but I'm outside mode. Check my senior quote, my life's a roast. To raise the bar, I swear that every drink I take's a toast. To play the cards, raise the stakes and let it ride. Play the house with these labels, dotting the line. Don't count the cards, just count the work. Drum on the beat, Arizona, take them all to church.
It ain't nothing new, we keep it real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Did it on my own, don't need a deal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We just tryna tell them how we feel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't nothing new, we keep it real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't nothing new, we keep it real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Did it on my own, don't need a deal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We just tryna tell them how we feel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It ain't nothing new, we keep it real.
Y'all niggas ain't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready for this. Don't lie. Yeah. 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 All I really wanted was a little bit support from y'all. Never settle down, I'm grinding, bitch, I'm born to ball. Man, look at me, black Rambo in this thing. Sick and tired of this pain. I swear I'm feeling like I made it. They might kill niggas for the fame. Visions feeling like the greatest. Gold plaques, gold chains, gold stacks, gold stakes. All my niggas don't play. Mama told me since a youngin' I would be a boss. Wet sauce, CEO, that's what I'm going for. I drop singles after singles after single, bitch. Everybody's going crazy when I'm dropping shit. You just another nigga walking on the wrong road. You just another nigga acting like it got a flow. Yeah. Let me finish that real quick. I'll be on another level shit. Can't see you, you irrelevant. I'll be on my own element. Y'all niggas can't understand this. This that on another planet shit. This that neighbors knocking coming shit. First K with my shit, bitch. About to make a movie, it is a fucking teaser. My shawty foreign, she be asking for a visa. Everywhere I go, she watching Mona Lisa. Man, everywhere I go, she watching Mona Lisa. Ram on this thing, sick and tired of this pain. I swear I'm feeling like I made it. They might kill niggas for the fame. Visions feeling like the greatest. Gold blacks, gold chains, gold stacks, gold stacks.
Yeah. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know. Shit I had to do for dough. Now I feel like DMX, boy, I get it on the flow. This a diamond in the rough, this is not just how it goes. Jimmy Butler in the gym, I ain't going back to broke. Man, it started as a dream, it won't finish till I'm gold. For the money, you're the glory, I can't choose, I want them both. Put them stunning on, the shades on. I'm about to get all the way blowed up. Don't it make you sick to watch them hands get throwed up? One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never go to where I went, see the boy I was, be the man I am. You been out of touch, I'm the one to make the needle move. Stripes on me like Adidas shoes, stripes on me like I'm Beetlejuice. Say my name again, I'll see you soon. Looking at me, you gon' need to zoom. Y'all better focus, under your nose, you never know this. Now you think it's overnight, word? Y'all dumber than I thought, y'all parked in one spot. Yeah, I've been through a whole lot, yeah. I'm for the money, you for the show. I am the real, you are a hoe. I can tell you, but you never know. You just gotta let it go. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know. This is a lifetime in the making. Hell yeah, the boy greedy. Makes sense how the hard work make them all feel uneasy. I am unapologetic, I am who they love to blame. Don't be talking to me like we peers, boy, you know you don't got the resume. I ain't never lie, on God every time, put me to the test. My 16's all lullabies, they be putting all the tired shit to rest. Who the plug? We ain't never met, I've been fucking with my own outlet. Next shit already classic, and that ain't even out yet, never know. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know. One for the money, two for the show. Keep it on the low, homie, you would never know.
I mean, shit, nigga. I mean, what the fuck you want me to do, nigga? Shit. Man, come on, man. Wasn't we just, holla, we was on the corner. Fuck's going on, my nigga, I could've sworn we was in the middle of a storm, looked up and then we was gone. Wasn't we just in the jungle? Waiting for that break, like we was in a huddle. And it was dinner time, but we still waiting for that plate. So fuck being subtle, these niggas should wear dresses. Out of place, they forgot what they addressed is. Why even address it? Can't leave an impression, cause your shit just ain't impressive. It's all about progression, only take suggestions from veteran. No yes men, the best, anything less is mad questions. Like what you wanna rap out? My nigga, I got it mapped out from the trap house to rap habit. You do it cause the bitches love it? Yeah. Or you gon' keep on burning this till you get discovered. Man, I'm tired of this shit. It's like they don't get the picture until they can take a picture of it. So I'm working like a slave, they gave me a stage, so I'ma act out. Niggas still finding his way, I got it mapped out. All they gon' say is he went in the booth and blacked out. Whether for a few or a packed house, what you wanna rap about?
You wanna rap about cars, wanna rap about money, huh? What you wanna rap about? You wanna give niggas bars, wanna rap about honeys, huh? What you wanna rap about? You wanna rap about shows, wanna rap about dough, wanna rap about hoes, wanna rap about flows. It don't matter cause around here anything goes. Let me know shit.
I came into the game when I was young, didn't know much. Gotta go kamikaze just to blow up. Telling me I gotta sell my soul just to sell these raps. To be the reason that the deal fell flat. Forget it, I ain't fucking with you rappers.
Estamos aquí en Monster Tattoo, una vez más, aquí con un amigazo nuevo. Él es de ¿qué distrito?
S.J.L.
De acá de San Juan del Urigancho. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? S.J.L. Él ha venido, se ha tatuado hoy con nosotros en el pecho un lobo, pero él ya había separado, creo, ¿no?
Sí, hace tiempo.
¿Tú ya hace cuántos meses has separado? Sí.
Casi un mes o 2 meses.
Hace un mes, ¿no? Por ahí más o menos. ¿Y hace cuánto te gustan los tatuajes?
Hace como 7 años atrás.
¿Tu primer tatuaje?
El de acá.
¿Ese dónde te lo hiciste?
Me lo hice ahí en la avenida Argentina.
Ah, sí, fue acá en Lima.
Sí, en Lima. El resto ya lo hice en Cusco.
Ah, mira. Ya, y entonces tu primer tatuaje con nosotros es el que tienes ahorita en el pecho, ¿no?
El lobo.
Va a salir ahí en la edición. Y dinos, ¿qué pensaste cuando entraste por la puerta, cuando me conociste, cuando viste el estudio?
Bueno, sí,
Tu primera impresión.
Bueno, al ver tus trabajos, me dije que sí es un buen pata y sabes hacer su trabajo, ¿no? Y ahora que me hiciste el tatuaje, bueno, para mi personalidad quedé bien, satisfecho. Vamos a ver los resultados cuando...
Sí, como te digo, te vas a andar en 5 o 6 días. Yo ahorita te voy a mandar una receta también ahí a tu número. Y entonces, ¿tienes alguna recomendación aquí para el estudio? ¿Algo que
sí,
crees que se
le
pueda
recomiendo
mejorar?
a todas las personas que quieran tatuarse que vean acá Monster Tattoo,
Claro.
que es chévere y bacán. Buena atención también.
Claro. O sea, entonces tu primer tatuaje que ha sido con nosotros sería este.
Sí.
¿no? ¿Y te dolió mucho? ¿Hubo
Bueno,
al comienzo?
Al comienzo no, pero ya casi al culminar, al llegar a la parte más sensible,
Hay ciertas zonas.
es obvio que va a doler, ¿no? Y
Y entonces, ¿recomendarías la atención aquí en Monster Tattoo? Una invitación a todos.
excelente, les invito a tatuarse en Monster Tattoo y más nada, chévere.
Ya sabes, separa tu cita. Él separó su cita también, así que con total